Ellie the Little Elephant's Windy Day. Ellie was a small elephant with big ears and an even bigger heart. One breezy afternoon, the wind whooshed through the jungle trees. Swish, swoosh, flutter! Ellie's scarf flew off her neck. "Oh, no!" she giggled. "My scarf is flying away." She ran after it, past the butterflies, past the tall grass, past her friend Coco the Parrot. "Wait, scarf!" Ellie called, laughing. The scarf floated and floated until it got caught on a low tree branch. Ellie stretched her trunk a little more. "Got it!" Coco cheered from above. "You did it, Ellie!" Ellie wrapped the scarf around her neck, gave Coco a happy trumpet, and headed home as the sun set. That night, with her scarf tucked under her chin, Ellie snuggled up tight and smiled. The wind whispered through the trees, and Ellie drifted off to sleep.